Hello, Sanbonani. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. My name is CBO. Let's begin. Preheat the oven to 230 degrees Celsius or 450 degrees Fahrenheit. That's a standard oven. In a bowl, sift in flour with baking powder and bicarbonate of soda. Add sugar, cold cubed butter or margarine, and mix until the flour forms crumbs, fine crumbs. Open a well at the center of the bowl. Add eggs, vanilla essence, buttermilk or Amasi, and custard. Mix. A warm welcome to those new to this channel. I hope you love it here. Sprinkle flour on the surface. And on dough, mold. Roll the dough. And cut whatever shape of choice. Dipping the cutter into flour in between cutting. I would like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. Continue to mold the leftover dough gently. Roll. Cut until the dough is finished. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information below. It will be below. Check that small dough, trying to shape it. Note that the dough is touching each other to help the scones rise higher up than sideways. Brush with egg or buttermilk, then bake for 14 minutes. Once baked, wrap them with butter while hot. That is an optional step. Please press the like button and leave a comment below and add more value to this video. I truly appreciate that. The scones were super delicious. Try them. I hope you have loved this video. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon. Bye-bye.